What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be playing hide and seek with Jellybeans and Ruby and Rock. So what we're gonna do today, you can hear them. They're in the restroom right now. We're hiding them in there before I hide myself.
Hello, who's that? Is that Ruby? Hi, baby girl. I see you. I see your hand. What? Are you trying to spy daddy? See what daddy doing? Good girl, baby. Okay, wait. I'll let you out in a minute, okay? This is all 7 of them in there in the restroom right now. All right. She might know where you at, Ruby.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cover the blankets. Underneath the blankets, we're gonna put the pillow, so it looks like I'm going to be laying underneath the blankets. And there's this blanket right here. I'm gonna hide maybe somewhere in the corner of the room. So I have the audio recording in my phone, so I'm gonna put it underneath this area, this blanket right here, and then I'm gonna hide somewhere else. So it's gonna be calling their names at this location and not mine. So let's see if we can trick them. Let's see who's gonna be tricked, and let's see who's not gonna be tricked and find me.
Okay.
So
But don't click it first. I will click it whenever I'm ready to let them out. But now you pretend like you hiding under the pillow.
Let's throw the toys out.
I mean under the blanket though. Yeah. There's 2 more pillows back there. Ruby's she's spying on you.
Just put it right here.
Make it a little longer. You're not that.
Right here.
That's good.
Alright. I'm going to hide
Under the table, I guess. On top.
Okay.
You want me to play now?
Yep.
Okay, I will play the video.
Ruby, can you find me?
Go get daddy! Go! Go get daddy! Come on, go, go, go!
How did they find me so fast?
Because they go over there and they didn't feel you under the blanket though. They hear your voice, but they didn't feel you under there.
Let's try one more time somewhere else. Alright?
Okay.
Okay, round 2 coming up. Round 2. I'm gonna leave this here. Alright. And I'm gonna hide underneath the blankets and the pillows here. Alright.
Alright. Now I'm gonna let them out, okay?
Can you find me? Nuna.
This is Ruby here. Ruby? Ready, Ruby? Come on. Get ready. Come on, Ruby. Go, 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 Ruby. Go. Go find daddy. Go. Where's daddy at?
Guess where I'm at? Find me. Hello. Can you find me?
Stay there, baby. Look at that. This is...
Baby. Hello. Hello. Blah, 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 blah.
And they go straight to over there.
Okay. Someone bit my ear. I think it's Rock.
It's Rocky.
He's always biting ears.
Oh, he bite you?
But anyways, okay, so there's no tricking them. There's no tricking them. I think they got the nose. They nose.
Very good.
Yeah. Did they go over there?
No, they go straight over there.
Wow. So
They
I
go
think-
straight over there. Even that one is while playing though.
Wow. So I think they got really, oh, they got really strong nose.
What's up? What's up? You guys have fun with Daddy? Ruby, see a spider.
Rock is so mean right now.
Rock so mean. Why? Bean, come here, Bean.
Rock is mean. I gotta hold him.
Oh, Rock is mean. Oh, you mean boy.
So okay, next time we're gonna find some other spots to hide. All right, guys. So there you have it. You can't trick them, no matter what. They got the nose. They can smell everything. So yeah. Next time we're gonna get them. Let's see if they can find new hiding spots. All right.
Now they go over here. After they found you.
No help.
Come on.
No help.